Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and practical topics: how you can build an easy and highly remunerative career using social media, and exactly what's stopping most people from doing it. And trust me, it's not what you think. So if you've ever wondered, how do people make money online? Can I also become a content creator or digital marketer? What if I'm not good at tech? This video will answer it all, step by step. Let's get started. Why social media is a real career now. Social media is no longer just entertainment. It's a full-time, scalable, respectable career. Think of creators like Ranveer Alabadia. Beer Biceps started with a phone, now runs multiple companies. Kabita's Kitchen, a homemaker who turned her cooking passion into a massive YouTube empire. Finance creators like Nkur Warriku, who've built entire brands around knowledge sharing. What's common between them? They started small, consistently, and built big. Social media careers are booming because checkmark very low investment, checkmark no age limit, checkmark no qualification required, checkmark unlimited earning potential. Social media career options. You don't have to be an influencer to succeed. Here are 6 real income generating career paths. 1. Content creator, influencer. Entertain, educate, or inspire. Example: a college student shares simple productivity hacks and grows 300k followers. 2. Social media manager. You run social pages for companies. Example: a freelancer earns 25,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees per client, managing 5 to 6 posts a week. 3. Digital marketer. You help businesses run ads and campaigns. Example: you run Facebook ads for a local fitness trainer and charge 20,000 rupees per month. 4. Community manager. You engage with customers, reply to comments, and manage online groups. 5. Affiliate marketer. You promote products and earn commissions. Example: a YouTube creator earns from Amazon links in every video. 6. Creative roles. Video editors, thumbnail designers, scriptwriters, all in high demand. Why this career is easy and high income? Here's the truth. You only need 2 things to start: a smartphone and consistency. Creators today make money through brand deals, affiliate marketing, online courses, digital products, ad revenue, freelancing, and unlike traditional jobs, your income is not capped. If one of your videos goes viral, opportunities multiply overnight. Example: a teacher in Kerala shared simple English improvement videos, one reel hit 3M views. Within weeks, she got brand deals plus coaching students worldwide. The skills you need. You only need simple, learnable skills. 1. Communication and storytelling. Know how to talk simply and clearly. 2. Basic editing. Apps like CapCut, InShot, Canva can do 90% of the job. 3. Understanding algorithms. Not rocket science, just observe what performs well. 4. Building a personal brand. Your tone, energy, colors, and style. Example: if you always begin your videos with "Hey, future CEOs," that becomes memorable and builds a brand. 7-step roadmap to start. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose something you love talking about: fitness, motivation, money, cooking, parenting, career guidance, anything. Step 2. Choose your platform. Short videos, right pointing arrow. Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Long form, right pointing arrow. YouTube. Professional content, right pointing arrow. LinkedIn. Step 3. Create your content plan. Mix of educational, inspirational, trending, personal stories. Step 4. Post consistently. Start with 3 to 5 posts a week. Your speed improves over time. Step 5. Engage. Reply to comments, ask questions, DM followers. Step 6. Study analytics. Look at what's working, double down on it. Step 7. Monetize. Brand deals, affiliate links, freelancing, digital products. Choose what fits your niche. The real entry barriers. Most people fail before they begin. Here's why. Checkmark. Fear of judgment. What will people say? Truth. People are too busy with their own problems. Checkmark lack of skills, but skills today are free. YouTube can teach you editing, scripting, designing, all in days. Checkmark inconsistency growth is slow when you post once a month. Checkmark slow growth algorithms reward consistency, not perfection. Checkmark oversaturation, but your voice plus your angle is unique. There's space for everyone. Checkmark monetization takes time, but once it starts, it becomes passive and scalable. How to overcome these barriers? 1. Overcome judgment. Start with a private audience, create content for 30 days and keep it unlisted. You'll gain confidence. 2. Upskill fast. Set 7 days. Day 1 to 2. Learn editing. Day 3. Learn hooks. Day 4 to 5. Learn analytics. Day 6 to 7. Create and publish. Done. 3. Have a posting routine. Batch. Create 5 to 7 videos every Sunday. 4. Beat the algorithm with analytics. Check watch time, retention, comments, shares. These tell you what to fix. 5. Choose an underserved niche. Examples: wellness tips for senior citizens, career guidance for Indian students, perfect for you. Mental health tips for working mothers. 6. Diversify income streams. Don't depend on just one. Your social media should earn from 3 to 5 sources. How much can you earn? Beginners, 0 to 6 months, 10,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per month. Intermediate, 6 to 18 months, 50,000 rupees minus 150,000 rupees per month. Advanced, full-time creators, 5 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees plus per month. Your income grows with your skills, audience, and consistency. Conclusion: say yes, building a social media career is easy, profitable, and accessible to anyone. But the secret is simple. Right finger, start small. Right finger, stay consistent. Right finger, keep improving. Right finger, don't stop. If you're willing to follow these steps, social media can become your biggest career opportunity ever. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment, bell, subscribe for more content on careers, skills, and personal growth. And let me know in the comments, which social media niche do you want to start in?